Welcome to Orchesly! In this video, we will learn how to create layouts for your business processes. Layouts are customizable online forms that capture information from requests submitted by end users. With layouts, you don't need to email detailed task specifications to your teams anymore. For example, Zilker Inc., a lead supply chain company, involves demand planning, supply planning, procurement of components, production, warehousing, order fulfillment, and transportation. The supply chain layout consists of fields to get the job details, order details, and transitional fields that are created during the supply chain process. Now, let's go ahead and create the layout. Navigate to Setup, and you will land on the Layouts tab under the Customization section by default. Orchesly provides a set of standard layouts to use and customize based on your business needs. If these standard layouts do not match your requirements, you can also create a new layout by clicking the Add Layout button. Enter the layout name and description. Now, click on the Advanced Options hyperlink. Provide the job ID prefix. The job ID gets appended automatically to the job name during job creation. This helps identify and group jobs created under this layout. Now, set the permissions for users, roles, or teams who can view jobs in this layout. If no selection is made here, the jobs will be visible to all users. Next, set permissions on who can add jobs in the layout. Organization Users option will allow all users in the organization to create jobs, while Specific Users option will allow only selected users, teams, or roles to create jobs using this layout. Click Save to be redirected to the form. You can customize almost everything here: the name of the layout, the name of the section, the field names, and so on. Drag and drop the necessary fields from the Available Fields tray. This section holds the fields from previously created layouts. However, if the field that you require is not available in this section, navigate to the New Fields section. Let's see how we can add a new field. To add a customer's name field to the layout, drag and drop the single-line text field from the New Fields tray into the layout. Enter a field title. Field title is the name of the field, which will help you identify it across all layouts, and you can reuse the field in other layouts with a modified label name. For example, if a field is titled as Name, you can have the field label as Customer Name in one layout and Vendor Name in another layout. Adding a field with different labels in various layouts does not increase the count in remaining fields. Specify the default value of the field with Set Default Value option, which provides a predefined value to the field. The default value of a field can also be updated later if needed. Set a character limit for the field, but do remember that the field cannot exceed 100 characters for single text fields. Enabling the Mandatory option will mandate values to be filled in the field before the form is submitted, while also enabling the Visibility option keeps the field visible during job creation and in the job details page. However, the field's visibility also depends on the privileges given to the user profiles. Also note that visibility cannot be disabled for mandatory fields. Enabling PII when you require information like business license number from your customers, it's necessary to keep it highly confidential. So, when the field business license number is mandatory and visible, it also allows you to collect and view the information by default. However, if you do not want this information to be visible to your employees, you can mask the values by enabling the Personal Identification Information, or PII. Enabling the Encrypt option for fields like quotation price and tender quantity allows you to encrypt fields with confidential data, while PII allows you to mask the details of a particular individual or company, like social security number, credit card details, business license number, etc. Now click OK to save. To allow access to the fields based on user profiles, use Set Privileges. For example, the quotation price can be hidden from the production staff except for the CEO. While everything is good to go now, do remember that the number of fields that can be created under layouts is restricted. So you can keep track of the remaining fields by clicking the Remaining Fields hyperlink. Another workaround is reusing the fields by modifying the field label name. Now click Save. To check how the layout works, navigate to the Jobs tab. Click the Add Job button and choose the layout that you just created in the top left corner to view the fields from that layout. You can also clone your layouts to recreate identical layouts. To deactivate a layout, disable the toggle button under Active. Don't worry, the jobs with disabled layouts will still work. You can filter jobs or blueprints of a specific layout and also view reports of a particular layout. So there you go. We hope this video has helped you create layouts in Orchestly.